let's look at the next question. Now let's answer this. Which region did best sales? Okay. Northeast region did good sales. Northwest. Okay. Which one did good sales? We are going to answer this question. Okay. Now just take the region and drag it into your canvas. So now you will be able to see all the unique regions. All the unique regions you are able to see. Now I want to see what is the sales of this region, what is the sales of this region, what is the sales of this, and what is the sales of this. Just take the total cost, drag it, put it here. Once you have done, now you want to see this in the form of pie chart. Okay, just open this and choose pie chart here. Now pie chart is coming. We can very clearly see that this light blue southwest, this fraction light blue is the biggest one, which means that we did really good sales here. What we can do, I can open this and change this to entire view. Now we can see that, okay, this is and this. Okay, this southwest is slightly better than northeast. Okay, now if you want to see without hovering, you want to see the numbers. What you do, just take the total cost and drag it into the labels. Now without hovering, we are able to see the numbers here. Okay. Now what you want to do, here number is there, right? Basically you want to see how much percentage of sales came from southwest. You can just open this quick table calculation and you can change this to percentage of total. Now it means that 35% of sales came from southwest. Okay, right? Like this we are able to tell. Right now without hovering, I want to see what region is this. Very simple, just drag the region into the label. Okay, now without hovering, you are able to say what region is this. You want to see the region label first and then the percentage, just drag this below. Okay, and now what I want to say, after I see the percentage, I also want to see the sales amount. How will I see the sales amount? Just drag the total cost into the label. Now I'm able to see the number, but is this rupees, is this dollars? I'm not able to understand, right? What we will do, we can change the format, go to numbers here, currency custom, change this to dollar format. Okay, change this to dollar format here, which means that in southwest, these many dollars sales we have done. Now you want to see after southwest, you want to see sales number first and percentage later. Drag this and put it here, right? Now we are able to understand from which region we did best sales, from southwest.